Good morning, students. Last day we have completed chapter 4. So, in mathematics, chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have completed. Next chapter is 5, Euclid's geometry. Euclid's geometry I will explain you afterwards. Now, from today we are going to start chapter 6, lines, arc and angles. Lines and angles, before going to start, we should have some idea. Already I have explained you in junior class, but let us review what is line and what is angle. How many types of angle? What is ray? What is collinear point? What is non-collinear point? What is adjacent angle? What is linear pair? Let us review the point. Now first of all, what is line? This is the point. There are three basic elements of geometry. One is point, one is line and third one is plane. So point is a basic element of geometry which have only the situation but do not have the length and breadth. But if many point together, suppose this is the point, this is the point, this is the point, these all point if you join together, then you will get these types of the one geometrical figure. This geometrical figure, if both the end are fixed, so this is said to be line segment, and if the end are not fixed, simultaneously it will move both the direction up to the infinity, then it is a line. And if one point is fixed and another point it will be extend, then it is a ray. So how will define? So line is a combination of the point which can extend in both the direction up to infinity. And ray is also a combination of point but whose one point is fixed and another point through the another point it can extend. So this is the ray. Now angle, how many types? There are 11 types of the angle which I have explained you in standard 7 as well as in standard 8. There are 11 types of angle. Now what is angle? This is a geometrical figure. You see, this is a ray, this is a ray and this is another ray. Both the ray is meet in this point. This is angle. So how will define? The deflection produced by both ray at a point is said to be angle. The deflection produced by two rays at a point are said to be angle. Now the fixed point where both the ray are meets, this fixed point are said to be vertex. Now this is the 3 point. If this 3 point will join, this is the 1 point, this is the 1 point and this is the 1 point. If 3 point will join, we will get a straight line. So these 3 points are collinear point. How the collinear point will be defined? If 3 or more than 3 points after joining them will get a straight line, these points are said to be collinear point. 3 or more than 3 points after joining will get a straight line. These are known as collinear point. On the other hand, you see, this is the point. If you join these 3 points, you never get a straight line. You are not getting a straight line. So these points are non-collinear point. If 3 or more than 3 points after joining them will not get a straight line, then we are said to be these points are the non-collinear point. Now what are adjacent angle and what is linear pair? Suppose this is a angle. This is the angle. The deflection, the ray, this is the vertex. Now from the vertex, if we draw one more ray, then you see this is one angle, angle number 1, this is one angle, angle number 2. Both the angle have a fixed arm. This side is present in both the angle, in angle number 1 also, in angle number 2 also. So these two angles are said to be adjacent angle. So if two angles have a fixed arm or fixed side, this combination of the two angles are said to be adjacent angle.